In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate GitHub with Notion. The process is straightforward, and by the end, you'll have a powerful connection between your code repository and your digital workspace. Let's dive in. First things first, start by opening your Notion workspace. This step is fundamental, as it sets the stage for everything we're going to do. Make sure you're logged into Notion to gain interior access to your settings and connections. Once you've got your Notion workspace in front of you, the next step is to locate the Settings option. You'll usually find it either on the sidebar or by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, depending on how your Notion is set up. This is where we'll configure the integration, so go ahead and click on it. From there, look for the Connections section within your settings. Notion does a great job keeping this organized, but it might take a moment to scroll through and find it if you're not familiar with the layout. Click on Connections when you see it. That will be our gateway to connecting other platforms with Notion. Moving on, within the Connections menu, you'll notice an option to explore or see all available integrations. Click on Explore or See All, depending on what your menu displays. This will allow you to search and discover new integrations that Notion offers, including GitHub, which we want to connect today. Now, it's time to search for GitHub. In the search bar provided, simply type in GitHub. As one of the most popular integrations, it should emerge quickly in the results list. Once you see it, click on the GitHub option to proceed with the integration. At this point, you'll need to click on Connect. Doing so will initiate the connection between Notion and GitHub. You'll be prompted to authorize this connection. This is an essential step because granting this permission is what allows Notion to access and integrate with your GitHub account effectively. Click on Authorize. Make sure you're okay with the permissions it requests, which is usually standard access to your repositories. We must note a crucial aspect. This GitHub integration is solely available to upgraded Notion accounts. If you're utilizing the free version of Notion, you might consider upgrading to take advantage of this functionality. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected GitHub to Notion. This integration will streamline your workflow, allowing you to manage and collaborate on your projects by using two powerful tools in harmony. Thank you for joining us, and enjoy your newly integrated Notion GitHub workspace. See you next time.